is a professor at the Benguela College, currently the national president. Let's put our hands together for Adolf Aranda Bird!
Kailangan ka dyan. Kailangan ka dyan.
Okay. Keynote speaker is Chara Santos Concho, Philippine Association of National Advertisers President Margo Torres, Immediate Past President Bong Ostero, Fashion Blogger Trisha Bosingan, AME Accounting Past President Professor Ted Urado, distinguished speakers, AME Past Presidents, AME members, students, friends, and guests. Welcome to the 7th Conference of Aspiring Marketing Professionals. Brands that are guided by a human purpose give people what they need, demand, desire, and hope for. Purpose brands are more powerful things. Just as we are attracted to people who have a clear purpose, we are drawn to purpose brands. They're the ones who always go to reference and look for inspiration. They are on a mission to do something worthy, to make life for the people that they serve. We have the Mark Zuckerbergs of this world who created Facebook, Steve Jobs for Apple. AME has a strong brand purpose. We believe marketing is an everyday, every minute, every second occurrence. We believe that every day is a teaching moment. We continuously learn, relearn, and unlearn the things around us. This conference is one reason why all these educators and students from all over the Philippines come together, travel for 4 to 6 hours, and passionately support AME's conference because of their faith in the AME brand. We are convicted to educate, even as far as organizing a very reduced and elaborate conference like this. We try to put meaning to the words marketing by building relationships with our students, even when they've graduated from college. We believe in supporting them in all student-based competitions. We acknowledge the fact that educators need to continuously innovate themselves through research, industry linkages, and intellectual discourses. Every day is a marketing day for us. We believe that this is our dual purpose. On April 10, April 18, 2012, I'll be going to Long Beach, California to be inducted as the only nation to be part of the board of directors of the Marketing Educators Association USA. But before I ask you to get your 1/4 sheets of paper, allow me to thank the people behind this conference. First and foremost, our director in charge, who recently celebrated his birthday, Professor Ernie Arpon. I am proud to have him this year as our director in charge for camp. He is amazing. Let's all give him a round of applause. To the organizing committee, of course, Vice President External, Professor Ferdy Alversado, Finance Director, Professor Gerald Villama, and of course, Annabelle Payawan, our Admin Manager. Special mention to Jessica, our conference staff, and all the educators, board of directors, who made this conference possible. Thank you. Equally important is our event partner and sponsor, Next Step Events President Annalisa Laksamana. Without her, this conference wouldn't have been possible. Thank you very much. Of course, Direk Makoy, thank you very much for all the support that you've given us. With that, I would like to thank everyone for coming and of course, enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, your national president, Adolf Aranda Bird. We would like to thank our major sponsors, Next Step Events, Modern House and Promo Incorporated, Job Street, Sterling, McDonald's Philippines.